this video is focused primarily on how to change and improve your handwriting on the iPad without buying additional accessories. There are many accessories out there that give you more control that can make your handwriting a bit neater, like the Apple Pencil grip or a matte screen protector. But as I show in this video, those really aren't necessary to drastically change your handwriting. The first step is to evaluate your current handwriting and take note of what specifically you don't like about your current handwriting. When I look at mine, it seems very inconsistent, and I want it to be a bit larger so that it's easier to read when I print a hard copy of my notes, because I personally prefer to study off of a hard copy of notes versus electronic. I don't like my letter R because it looks like a V, and my H's and N's are pretty much the same letter. To me, it seems a bit messy, and even though I write on graph paper, it still seems like I can't write on a straight line. Now, I could focus on just improving the few letters that I pointed out, but instead, I'd like to completely transform my handwriting. Based on what you've decided needs to change, make a practice handwriting template. I'm using the app GoodNotes to create a template that I can trace over. I typed out the entire alphabet and went through the fonts and found one that I liked, and sized it to fit the graph paper that I typically write on. I'm using the font Futura in size 24. Then I copied and pasted the alphabet 5 times and then typed out a pangram, which is a sentence that has all of the letters of the alphabet in it. I copied and pasted that 10 times. The GoodNotes note-taking app enables you to create and save your own templates or backgrounds, so that's what I did to create this practice handwriting template. Once you've got your template, it's time to start practicing. I did a full page template each day for 7 days and got fairly drastic results, in my opinion at least. I started off taking it really slow so that I could focus on the more rounded font and getting that into muscle memory. So the first few days it took me quite a bit longer than it did towards the end. The first day took me about 15 minutes. I will say I've taken a lot of notes, and I didn't think that completing a page in one sitting or writing for 15 minutes straight would be an issue, but I guess I'm used to taking breaks between bullet points during lectures, or maybe I was just gripping the pencil tighter because I was so focused, but during these 15 minutes my hand would cramp up after like 5 minutes, and that pretty much happened the entire week. I didn't notice any less cramping towards the end. Also, in the beginning, I started writing with a darker gray color, and then later found that choosing a brighter color, different than the text template, makes it a lot easier to focus on what you're writing and where you're commonly messing up. Towards the last half of the week, I focus less on tracing the letters perfectly and more on writing a bit faster so that the notes wouldn't become a totally inefficient process for me, because of course both form and function are very important. So at the end of the week, I was able to complete the full template in about 11 minutes, which I think is a fairly reasonable amount of time. It definitely did get a bit tedious and redundant writing the same sentence 10 times in a row, so I would recommend writing out 2 different pangrams in your template. Another pangram is pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs, and even just adding that one little bit of variation I think could make the process a lot more entertaining. So here is the before handwriting, and here is the after. Now, of course you can't expect to learn something from muscle memory in just 1 week, but I have seen noticeable improvement after just those 7 days. I personally think my handwriting changed fairly drastically with less than 15 minutes of practice each day. I think the size is much better, and I think the roundness of the font makes it much more legible when I have an entire page of dense notes. I think I'm going to continue to trace this template and see if I can get it a bit neater and faster. Here I'm taking some computer architecture notes on Notability with my new and improved handwriting. I think this handwriting is really easy on the eyes when reading, and it didn't actually take me forever to take these notes. You know, it didn't slow down my note-taking process or anything. For more iPad note-taking and studying videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday, make sure to subscribe. And like I say, if you like this video, you'll definitely like my other videos, and I'll definitely like you.